What's up, YouTube? I have finally gotten my Zippos back from repair, so that is what this video is going to be about today, guys. Now, I honestly was debating after a week from now if they hadn't come in to contact Zippo and just ask where they were, but again, turns out it was just the Postal Service being extremely slow, and of course you guys know the geopolitical events right now that is going around the world and affecting the world. So, but I'm glad to actually get them back because I've never actually lost a Zippo in the mail. Now, guys, if you remember in the video what I mentioned, this was the one that I sent in. I no longer have that one because it was destroyed past the point of fixing, and they actually sent me a G of 19 case. Now, from what it feels like, guys, they didn't send a insert, and that's fine because I mentioned in my video when I made this packaging everything up, I have the original insert from my original case here, so there will be about a year gap, but that's fine. I mean, I wanted to keep this with me since A, it didn't get destroyed in the parking lot, and B, because I'll at least have something to use in the new one that was from the old lighter. And however, I'm going to start off with this one first because this is the one that I requested a brass insert for, and this one is going to be the Zippo Mafia Zippo, at least the one that I would like to get engraved. What I will be doing is sending this to Zippo Fanatic along with help it to get the CNC machine, so that way we can get our Zippo Mafia lighters rocking. Anyway, so there's the sticker. I'll just put that there since I don't have anywhere else to put it. And here we go, guys. This is going to be the proof whether they actually put a brass insert in there or they just sent back a steel one. Oh, what do you know? What do you know, guys? They actually sent a brass insert. I'm impressed. Because I've never asked for a brass insert back on a chrome lighter, and I didn't know if they had some weird policy where, oh, we don't do that, or whatever, but they do. This is your evidence, guys. That is, and I know the lighting kind of sucks, but as you can tell, this is a brass insert Zippo. However, I'm not going to be using this until it winds up getting engraved, so I am pretty much going to leave it like this with the sticker on it and everything, and very carefully close it. However, I guess we can take one look at the insert. Damn, that's a tight insert. Real quick, and it is an F of 20. So the case was a G of 20, and the insert is now an F of 20. And again, guys, this is the one that I bought off of eBay thinking it was a whole lighter, and then turns out, nope, it was just a case. So there we go, guys. So that's that lighter. Again, I'm not going to be pulling that insert out anymore until I send it up to Zippo Fanatic up in Canada, along with, again, some help to get that CNC machine, because he will be able to do some amazing Zippos, and I want to be able to help him do some amazing Zippos. So anyway, that's that lighter. Now this is the replacement case, guys. And it came with several different paperwork, so I'm guessing it's just explaining. Yeah, I mean, the lightness of this, I can tell that they didn't put a Zippo insert in there. And this is something I found interesting, and I haven't read the whole thing. It's probably saying, we have received your lighter for repair, however, we only received the case, because I only sent the case. No internal lighting mechanism was enclosed. Our repair policy effective March 1st, 1997 is as follows. If we receive a lighting mechanism in accordance with our guarantee, in addition to the required repairs to the lighter case, however, since we have not received a lighting mechanism, we have repaired the empty lighter case and are returning it to you. Thank you. Blah, 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 blah. Well, they didn't actually repair the case. I mean, I honestly kind of wish they had. However, the case was so damaged, it was like cracked and stuff, so they just wound up setting a new one. But that's fine. Again, because now I get to use the original insert with this lighter. And there's another piece of paper which I can read. It probably says, "Thank you for entrusting us with your repair. We are sorry to advise that we are not able to satisfactorily repair your damaged lighter in accordance with our guarantee. We are sending you a replacement lighter," blah, 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 blah. So, in reality, they just sent a case, but that's perfectly fine, because I didn't expect them to do anything more than send a case. And we can peel this sticker off of this one. However, I'm going to open that up, get that out, and do this, and I will actually have 2 of these little stickers in here now, which will be quite lovely jubbly. And just carefully peel it up so I don't rip the stickers. Alrighty. And now I'm just gonna put all these stickers on here. Now, in order to get this one off, you know, I might just wait to do that one. But anyway, so I don't remember what the, okay, this is a B of 20, and this is a G of 19, the case. And so now I only have 2 Zippos that have a 2019 bottom stamp. And sorry guys, there's stuff over here that you can't see that I knocked over by mistake. But lovely brand new case. I will be using this Zippo, guys, because I honestly want to test how weak or how strong this hinge is right here, just to see, for the hell of it. Anyway, so that's going to be the video, guys. And, oh yeah, on the note of me only having 2 lighters that are made in 2019, the other one is an Eye of 2019, and that was my, I can't remember, the engine turn Zippo, which they have now rebranded to the Stripes Zippo. I have no fucking clue why they did that, because it's been engine turn Zippo since like the late 40s when that model first came out. But I was talking to the guy who I get all these Zippos from on eBay when I get new Zippos, and we came to the conclusion that it could be because, I'm sure you guys know, in the past, engine was a racially charged word, or, you know, term to refer to someone of Native American origin, which, I mean, I still think it's stupid that they changed the name, because when they say engine turned, they literally mean turned, like carved out on a piece of mechanical machinery, and that's where that came from. It's not a racial term being used hidden inside of a Zippo. That's just stupid. But I mean, it's whatever. Times are changing, so I mean, I guess they have to change with them. But, and the other lighter that I got was the brass Venetian, and both of those are getting engraved currently, so I will have those by the end of next week for another Zippo video, which might wind up being my next Zippo video, because, guys, I don't really see any more lighters that I'm really extremely interested in getting anymore. I mean, there are some, of course, like the high polished silver armor. However, I'm still going to wait a little while to get that until, again, January, February, maybe even March or April 2021. I know some of you guys who have been anxiously waiting on the channel to see one of those and see my thoughts on it. I'm sorry, but just stick around. I will have one eventually, and I will also have a silver 1941 replica eventually. But anyway, guys, so I'm going to off-camera fill this up and start using it, and in about maybe 2-3 weeks I'll come back and make a video on how it's held up so far. And if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Anything you do helps. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it. And I will see you in the next video.